In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background video to your WordPress.com website using the Elementor editor. This can be a fantastic way to make your site more dynamic and engaging. So let's dive into the process and see how you can do it effortlessly. First things first, you'll need to log into your WordPress.com account. Once you're in, navigate to the Pages section. This is where all your pages are listed, and you'll pick the one you want to edit. If you're creating a new page, you can start from there as well. In this demonstration, we'll be using the Elementor editor, which is an intuitive tool with a lot of drag and drop functionality that makes designing your page a breeze. Now that you're in the Pages section, open up a page by clicking on it and then launch it in the Elementor editor. This tool is perfect for what we want to achieve because it allows you to visually design your page and see changes in real time. It's really a great way to make sure everything looks just like you want it to. With your page open in Elementor, look for the Add section button. This part is where the magic starts to happen. You're going to drag and drop a container or a section widget onto your page. This is essentially the part that will contain your background video. Position it in the area where you want the video to play. After placing your section, you'll want to click on the container's hamburger icon. These are the 3 lines you'll see in the corner of the section. Doing this opens a menu, and from there, head over to the Style tab. This is where you can begin setting up your video background. Now comes the exciting part. Adding your video. You'll see an option to add a video background, and here you can input the video URL. This can be from your media library if you've already uploaded it to WordPress, or you can use an external URL from platforms like YouTube or Vimeo. Just paste in the link and your video will appear in the section. To make sure it fits just right, Elementor allows you to customize several settings. You can set the start and end times of your video, decide if it should loop continuously, and tweak settings for mobile playback as well. It's a great way to ensure your video doesn't just stop awkwardly, midway, or play unsuitable portions of the clip. Finally, once you're happy with how your video looks and plays, it's time to hit the Publish button. This saves all your changes and makes your page live with the newly added background video. And there you have it. You've successfully added a background video to your WordPress page using Elementor. As you explore these features further, you might even experiment with different types of content to keep your site visitors engaged. Remember, with practice, the process becomes even more straightforward, so don't hesitate to try new things. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.